Okay. Hello, good
Okay.
evening.
Hello. Good evening,
Yes.
ma'am. How are you?
Okay. I'm good. How are
And how
you?
was your day, ma'am?
My day was
Yeah,
very
I'm
good.
also doing
Thank
great,
you.
ma'am. Amazing,
The
ma'am.
voice is lagging.
I think network issue, ma'am, because I'm in a
Yes,
village, so I think sometimes the network is
network.
disturbed.
Okay. But I can hear you
Yeah.
properly. You can hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am. I can hear you
Okay.
and see you properly.
Okay. Yes. So
Okay.
I'm Dhanashri, and tell me what is the right way to pronounce your name?
My name is Imrahul, ma'am. Imrahul.
Imrahul. Yes, Imrahul. Okay.
You can call
So how was
me
your?
Rahul.
I can call you
Yeah.
Rahul. Okay, that'd be great. Okay. So tell me
Yeah,
how was
ma'am.
your day?
Okay. Yeah, ma'am. My day was pretty usual, not extraordinary, and now it was really nice to talk with you because I'm really happy to talk with you now, and
That's
that's
very sweet.
amazing, ma'am.
Okay, that's really
Yeah,
nice. Also, today was a Sunday, right? So it was a holiday for you? Was it a holiday for you?
yeah, ma'am. It was holiday for me, ma'am.
Okay, great.
And how
So
about
have you
you?
had,
Is it
yes,
holiday for you also?
I had a holiday too, but I
Yeah.
had my test. So it was not a holiday, not
Oh,
really a holiday for me. Okay, yes.
yeah.
So,
And what do you do, ma'am? Are you a student or is
yes,
any particular?
I've,
Are you doing any job?
yes, actually, I have finished my graduation. I'm doing master's through distant learning, and I'm a UPSC aspirant. What about you?
I study in class 11th now, and I'm a
Yes.
science student. And if you already told that you are UPSC aspirant, and I'm also a big fan of UPSC aspirant because
Okay.
UPSC is my love this position because I really love this thing.
Did you go through today's notes?
Yeah, ma'am, I go through. I go.
Okay. So the topic for today was advertisements, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Advertisement.
yes. I want to ask you before the session, how do you like to be corrected? Do you want me to correct you immediately when you make a mistake? Or do you like to be corrected at the end of the conversation?
Please correct me at the end of the conversation.
End of the conversation. Okay.
At
So
the
let's
end of the
begin.
conversation. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay. Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
So tell
Yeah.
me,
Sure.
what is the most shocking advertisement which you have seen?
Shocking. If I talk about shocking advertisement, then when I first of all, at first when I listen about COVID, because when before this type of time, before COVID, I never think that a vital virus, a dangerous virus will come in our world. You can say not in our city, in our world. So after hearing
Yes.
the word a dangerous viral is
Hmm?
it came in our area, and because
Yes.
sometimes I saw that this type of virus is come in other city in other country,
Hmm.
but I never think that it will come in our country also. So after hearing this news, I really shocked. It was
Okay.
my shocking news for me. Yeah,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
it is, ma'am.
okay. So today when we're talking about advertisements, this like what you told me about COVID is a
Yeah,
news. So the news came to you.
yeah,
Advertisement is endorsing a
yeah,
product. So when people are endorsing a
yeah.
product, a specific product, that will be advertisement. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, I
Right.
don't have proper idea about advertisements, so
Advertisement.
I'm just
Okay.
trying
Right.
to because I never.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. No
I
problem.
did not study
Uh,
about it properly, so I just yeah,
okay.
yeah, ma'am.
Right.
Go on, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So,
Hmm.
when you're watching some show, maybe on the television, have you come across any funny advertisement
Yeah,
which made you laugh?
I watch a lots of uh, funny ads also because
Yes.
there's lots of ads which make me funny. There are lots of mm, because there are. I really like the ad of Akshay Kumar. Do you know? Because which ad they make, those are really funny. I really like their ads because I
Okay.
sometimes generally I don't like ads, but I try to
Hmm.
skip. But sometimes they like they make a lots of ad on their particular topics like
Okay.
Like chocolates, like sort candy chocolate. They'll make lots
Right.
of what's called that. I currently
Hmm.
I forget the name, but those.
I hear
Hello?
you. Yes, yes, I can hear you now.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. That's all,
Okay.
ma'am. It's my funny experience about advertisement, ma'am.
Okay. And did you, see any advertisement and go get any product?
Not really, ma'am. Did not. I did not go on by seeing this type of advertisement. I generally, if I want to buy anything, then I generally
Hmm.
go to there are lots of platform which I use like Flipkart and Meesho also, Amazon, and I generally go and after choosing something, I buy them. I
Okay.
never
Ah,
follow advertisement.
okay.
Yeah,
So,
ma'am.
like, do you feel there is any truth in advertisements or they're just exaggerating things?
Can you explain the word, ma'am? I can't get
Yes,
the word.
exaggerate. Exaggerate is
Yeah, I
talk
don't.
highly about something. It is talking highly about something.
Yeah,
Even if it does not have that value, they're
yeah,
going to talk very highly about that
yeah,
product. So do you think advertisements they
yeah.
exaggerate about the product value or do you find there is some truth in it?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, absolutely. Because there are, I never. It's not that every ads are every word use this type of thing because they every word does do not use highly. What's called that? I forgot the word which you had said. But some
Exaggerate.
there are lots of
Yes.
ads which exaggerate. So there are lots of words who use exaggerate uh, to exaggerate. To, hello, could you please unmute, ma'am? I can. Okay, ma'am. Actually, there are lots of ad also. There are like food ad. I have seen a lots of ad about food. They are really making a lots
Hmm.
of. They are using lots of chemical. There are lots of things to make the food delicious, and that's why
Yes.
those are really harmful also because they are really
Mm.
uh, speed them highly speed them to for
Yes.
marketing anything. That's all, ma'am.
Right. Yes. So one such example for us was Maggie, right? We
Yeah, ma'am.
consumed it for
Absolutely.
years. We didn't know there
Maggie.
was lead in it.
Yeah,
Yes.
pizza
And
also,
then it
ma'am.
got
I
banned.
Yeah, there
Yes.
are lots
Pizza.
of yeah.
Junk food.
I've seen, ma'am.
Right.
Yeah, ma'am.
Right.
Absolutely.
And do you think children, mostly children, get influenced by these ads?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
And okay, hold on. And do you think like big celebrities in the ad these days, everybody, all the
Yeah.
products use big celebrities to endorse them? And do you think that affects you? I mean, people somewhere?
Yeah, ma'am, absolutely. Because I also recently I watched a lots of video because there are lots of celebrity who are using to make a lots of platform to viral because there are lots of celebrity who are working for a particular website or platform. Like recently I saw Shah Rukh Khan. Do you know Shah Rukh Khan who is working
Yes,
for Byju's also, and like that
yes,
they are working, but they are just providing they also always told that you should join Byju's also, and apart from Byju's there are lots of platforms also because Byju's is an expensive platform, but Shahrukh
right.
Khan they are using Shahrukh Khan to what's so famous
Endorse.
their website,
Yes,
their application like that. In this time Physics Wala, do you know Physics
yes,
Wala? Physics Wala
yes.
is really great platform. They are providing their their courses in a very
Is there any network issue? You're getting cut and then again rejoin.
No, ma'am. I don't know why today I am facing this type of problem because in previous I never faced this type of problem. I don't know why.
Okay,
Hello.
okay.
Okay.
Uh, like same with me. I attend
So
took a session just a few minutes back. I think my network is working fine. Hello.
yeah, I
Okay.
think my
Yes.
hello.
Yes, yes,
Can
I
you
can
hear
hear
me
you.
now?
Yes, I can hear you. Let's continue.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Where I was, I think physics wala ma'am, because
Yes.
through physics wala application we can purchase every course in a cheap rate, but they are not providing. They are not using a celebrity to provide their course anything, but those are really helpful. And in this time, Byju's also using Shahrukh Khan to spread their website. So
Yes.
I'm saying that advertisement is depends to viral, so
Right.
advertise can be, they are using a lots of they I think Byju's wasting their lots of money to advertise for advertisement, but physics
Right.
wala do not waste their money for advertisement, I think.
Advertise. Oh, right. Hmm. Okay, Imrahul, we'll move on to the feedback session before the video gets cut. Are you on mute? Yes, Imrahul, can you hear me?
Hello, can you hear me,
Yes,
ma'am?
yes. Yes, I
Yeah,
can
I
hear
can hear
you.
you, ma'am.
Yes. We'll move on to the
Okay, ma'am.
feedback session, I said, before the time gets
Yeah, ma'am.
over. Yes? Okay. So what I noticed
Okay,
about
ma'am.
you is I
Okay, ma'am.
really have to appreciate you on your confidence firstly. You're a very confident student. That's a great thing about you. You're able to
Thank you.
make full, complete
Thank you
sentences.
so
That's
much.
another good thing. Yes? Also, I
Yeah,
did not
yeah,
notice many
ma'am.
grammatical mistakes. You were talking right grammar. So that is also another good thing. Okay. Where I want you to
Thank
focus
you so
on
much,
is,
ma'am.
yes. Where I want you to focus now is on do not repeat your sentences. Okay?
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay. Like
got
many
it,
a
ma'am.
times you're telling about something and you're repeating the sentences again and again. Or you're saying the same sentence
Yeah,
in a
yeah, ma'am.
different
Okay,
way. Right? So there we will have to work on. So make
okay,
sure
ma'am.
you do that. Okay? Yes.
Sure,
Do you
ma'am.
have any
Sure.
questions for me?
Yeah, ma'am. I have lots of questions. Then
Yes.
I will ask this type of question, and when I
Yes.
will join again. Okay, ma'am? Because we are.
Okay.
I don't have any doubt now. Yeah.
Now, okay. Should we do some exercise then? We'll correct a few sentences.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
So I
ma'am.
will say a sentence and then you tell me if it is right or if something needs to be changed. Okay?
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So the sentence is, he was quite amusing when he heard what had happened. He was quite amusing when he heard
It was
what had
quite.
happened.